Hi guys, Owen here. Today, I'm going to show you how to feed the cats. Let's go to the outdoor. I'm going to feed the cats, Rampu. They're hungry. Okay, you have fun. Thanks, Rampu. Time to feed the cats. This is George. He's a big mouth. This is Birdy girl. She's a good girl. Aren't you? Time to feed the cats. Here's the cat dish. All you have to do is peel the lid off, but it's too sharp. I peeled it off already, so now I'm gonna dump this. It's coming. Calm down. Ugh. Ugh. Ah, yeah, finally. Spectacular. It's coming. It's coming. Now, all you have to... Alright, it's coming! It's coming. It's coming. Hey! I'm hungry. Hey! Is this my food? No! It's Cammy's food! Aww. All you have to do is set it down. Out of the way. There we go. Now the cats are feeded. We're good. And thank you for watching this How to Feed the Cat. And thank you for 180 subscribers. Yeah! I cannot believe we hit 180. You're so amazing. You're all totally amazing. I'll see you on the next video. Owen, you friends. Bye. Owen have something to show you. Coming, cuckoo.